On August 10th, 2025, a routine check on an abandoned vehicle escalated into a major felony arrest when Alexis claimed her car had broken down, only for officers to find a backpack full of meth and Xanax inside.
This is my husband's car.
Well, it's abandoned in the middle of the road, so it's getting towed. You left it here.
I just left it 5 minutes ago.
Why'd you leave it in the road?
Because it broke down. I'm waiting on my dad to come.
All right, well, tow truck's on the way, so.
Really? My dad is on his way to tow it.
Right, you have a driver's license with you?
Not on me. I locked my keys. My stuff's in the car.
Yeah, well, you had the keys at one point because you were driving the vehicle. Y'all parked in the driveway, then I go down there, then y'all drop the car and leave.
Yeah, because it's messing up. It's been overheating.
Okay.
When I just told you, my dad's on his way.
3:38, Kenny. The driver disappeared. The passenger's still not here.
I was driving the vehicle.
You were driving the vehicle. I seen you driving the vehicle. I'm not going to argue with you. Okay?
Why are you being rude?
Why are you lying to me?
I'm not lying to you. Can you prove I was driving the vehicle?
Yes, I can prove you were driving the vehicle.
You can.
Yeah, where's your driver's license?
I just told you I don't have it on me.
Now she wants to decline. She was driving the vehicle, but she doesn't have an ID. She doesn't have keys.
I left my stuff in the car. I'm literally on the phone with my dad. It's my husband's car. Right now he's incarcerated.
All right.
He left it
Prove
to
your
me.
identity that it's your husband.
My identity, we have different last names.
All right. Well,
I have marriage.
Well, if you don't have keys, it's broke down. It's getting towed. You can. It's not your car, so we can't give it to you anyways.
Do you have keys for it? Or?
She had to. She was driving it. That's why she didn't want to give me a license, but I seen her driving. No. There's a wallet in there.
Certificate. I can go way back home to get.
No.
Hey.
She had a black male with her.
Yeah, we saw them there.
Oh, y'all did?
I did. I don't know if you noticed them. She was getting out of the car. She was walking up to the house, but when we went back by, they weren't there.
They pulled into this house next to where the shooting happened. Pulled in that house. They got out, acted like they were working on the car. I see them pull out. As soon as they see my car, they dip down here, and then they must have came down here. My thing is they had dope on them, and they got rid of it. I guarantee she doesn't have a license. You got inventoried anyway, so. Yeah, it is locked. And there's a wallet under the seat and a wallet in the center console.
So you saw them when you came up?
Yeah, so they were driving. They were coming off Spencer's. They, I don't know if they had a seatbelt on. I turned around on her. Sam, back up here a little bit in my space. Back up.
I'm backing up. Can I get your name and badge number, please?
Corporal Kronk. I'd back up till I get my car out of the way.
Hey, they can pop that open, right?
I think so.
I don't see why not.
We don't have keys for it and it's locked up.
Badge numbers?
351.
228.
3 what?
228.
228? Yes, thank you.
We backed my car up.
The discovery of a backpack filled with methamphetamine and Xanax instantly shifted the scene from a roadside assist to a felony arrest, sending Alexis into a desperate physical struggle to escape.
Quit pulling away from me.
What am I doing? Why can't you give me your
Quit.
keys then?
Stop.
I am stopped.
Stop pulling away from me.
Come on, walking down the street? Why are you arresting me? You didn't give me no citation or anything?
I don't have to give you a citation.
So why am I being arrested? I'm not pulling from you, bro. I'm not fucking pulling
Relax
from you.
your arms.
I am relaxed. Why are you arresting me? Are you serious right now?
Come on.
I didn't have shit in my car.
Come on.
I didn't fucking have shit in my car. Ow!
Quit.
What the fuck?
You're being dramatic.
It's for you to tell me.
You have a right to remain silent. That's the right you have right now, so stand up.
Why are you arresting me? Why are you arresting me? Because I didn't have nothing in my car.
I'm not playing your games. Stand up.
It's okay. This swollen face too that you did, right?
You're trying to be
I
something.
didn't hit my face.
Everything's on camera.
You're harassing me for 3 days, right?
Hey, Kronk, so whenever I got out with her, told her to put her hands behind her back, she pulled from me several times. As we're walking back to the car, I had to grab her. She just threw herself down to the ground. She's like, oh, you just kicked me in the ankle. Takes this car.
Spread your feet for me.
Why am I being arrested? And why can't anybody answer?
Drug possession, drug paraphernalia, and driving on a suspended license. I've already told you.
Why?
Search her so we can
That was
yeah,
in her car there.
yeah.
Do a use of force. I can get her to.
I mean, it's not a use of force. There was no force used.
Okay.
She dropped herself on the ground. You have to search her for me.
Yeah, absolutely.
Step out of the car.
That is a damn lie. So you tell me you planted drugs on my car?
We got body cameras to prove that we didn't.
Right.
Do you want me to check in her
Turned
boots?
off.
How do these come off? Is there a zipper? Okay. Keep a hand on her for me.
I've already gave you answers.
No, I don't want want him to touch me. He's already yanked me around. You're hurting my arm.
Yeah, and the shoes.
Do you have anything on you that we need to know about, honey?
No.
Okay. All right, listen, I'm going to take your shoes off. Stay where you're at.
Barely holding you.
No,
You're pulling
not.
away, hurting
I'm not
yourself.
pulling.
Set that as
I am not pulling. I'm sitting there squeezing my arm.
I'm not squeezing nothing. I'm holding your arm.
Put your foot back in.
Just being very dramatic.
I want to talk to my attorney.
Wet test kits, not these ones.
I think so, yeah.
Cocaine and, yeah, cocaine's fine. So you got blue and orange.
All right, put in.
Have a seat.
Don't push me.
No one pushed you. Quit being dramatic.
Okay, you're being dramatic.
No, you are. You have any test kits in your car? Mm-hmm. It's more pink and orange though. Mm-hmm. So I'm gonna go with it's tested for meth. No wind at all until you want to start messing with dope. So I mean, this is testing as fentanyl, but I have a crack white rock that was in there, so it's probably meth with cut with fentanyl.
We got EMS coming to check you out. Before you head out, I'm going to grab my drink out of your car.
Yeah, they had water, but they like.
Yeah, you can't have water in the back of a cop car.
Right? Yeah, and you did not give me.
Hey, wake up. You just want EMS check her out. Okay, give me EMS 51 1015. She's
Yeah.
breathing. As soon as I walked to the car, she put her head down. So. What a disaster. So I mean, this is testing as fentanyl, but I have a crack white rock that was in there, so it's probably meth. Let me turn the AC on, roll these windows down. Wake up. Hey.
Any reason why you arrested me? You just told me to
I gave you a
get on the
lawful order,
ground,
you kept
put your
pulling away from
hands.
me.
I did not pull away from you. And besides, I am 98 pounds. What am I going to do against you?
That's what I was thinking.
Okay, and everything you found in my car was not in my car.
The date was August 10th, 2025, and at 1:35 p.m., a routine check on an abandoned vehicle escalated into a major felony arrest for a woman named Alexis. Officers found the car sitting in the middle of the road, and while Alexis claimed it had simply broken down, she adamantly denied being the driver, even though officers had watched her behind the wheel moments earlier. Since Alexis lacked a valid license, police initiated an impoundment. During a mandatory inventory search, the situation turned from a traffic nuisance to a criminal investigation when officers discovered a backpack filled with methamphetamines, smoking pipes, and Xanax pills. As the handcuffs came out, the drama spiked. Alexis attempted to flee, resisted arrest, and eventually feigned a collapse to the ground. She now faces a laundry list of charges, including possession of methamphetamine and resisting without violence. It's a stark reminder of how a $15 parking issue can spiral into a life-changing legal battle. Subscribe for more videos and witness the frontline fight against crime with Bodycam Real Files. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a new high-stakes investigation.